Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing this phone. Can you guess what it is? If you guessed Galaxy S6, then you're probably right. So let's take off this sleeve, just like the S5 was. Now it's not like that kind of like a tree style branding. Now it has a more flat look with the AT&T symbol. Not like last year's S5. Samsung right there. Here's the phone itself. Texting and driving. It can wait. It can wait. Okay, gotta pull the phone out. Again, this is on AT&T. Got it from the next installment plan. Device and features. Let's see what else is inside the box. Funny how there's a hole for the camera since it protrudes so much. Yeah, let's see what's inside this. Probably some paperwork. Samsung Milk Music, Milk Video, transfer your contacts, sure. Health, safety, and warranty guide. Don't really need it. We know how to handle our phones. So what's included in the package is this wire, USB adapter. And now it is back to USB 2.0, like the S4 or S5 active. Yeah, like the move from USB 3.0 in the Galaxy S5 was kind of a hit or miss. One thing I noticed is that this wire seems to be thinner than the Galaxy S5's wire. Yeah, let's put that up to the side. SIM ejector tool, since this is a phone that has a SIM tray now and not removable battery or SD card slot. It doesn't have an SD card slot for the Galaxy S6. So here's our charging brick. It's rated at 2 amps. I don't really know how that's a adaptive fast charging, since basically all the other chargers are also 2 amps. But I guess it should work. It's probably like some technology inside. Earphones. Wow. They seem to be a lot better on this one. If I can find out how to open it. Oh, it's okay. There we go. These earphones are actually kind of good. They have these extra tips, and I think they actually go inside your ear, like actually go in, because it has those. You just focus on it here. It goes inside, like right there. So let's see the earphones themselves. A lot of kind of hard to unbox packages over here. Again, we have extra tips and the tips that come in with them. Wow. These new Samsung earphones actually look pretty good. The wire is still pretty thin for me. Has the microphone, volume buttons, play and pause. And they still have this straight end of the 3.5mm headset jack. To be honest, I prefer when it's bent, so it can be flush with the phone when I put it inside my pocket. But I guess that's just me. Yeah, the wire is still pretty thin for me. At least that's what I think. And that's pretty much it for the box. Nothing under this cardboard stuff. Now let's see what's with the phone. Texting and driving can wait. Let me just remove this. Oh, almost slipped out of my hand. That is a rather nice looking phone. So, AT&T logo on the back. Galaxy S6. There's your protruding camera. Like that actually protrudes quite a lot, more than the iPhone 6. Then there's your heart rate monitor and LED flash. To be honest, I would have preferred the dual LED flash, but I guess Samsung stuck with that. Home button, fingerprint scanner. Feels really, really clicky. On the bottom we have USB 2.0, micro USB 2.0, the speaker, the microphone, and a 3.5mm headset jack. Up top we have this IR blaster, the microphone. That's basically it. On the right hand side we have the SIM ejector tool, power button. On the left hand side we have the volume buttons, and they're not the rocker kind of volume buttons, they're separate. So yeah, that is a really, really thin phone. Let me just boot it up. Wait, before I boot it up, I'll look for the SIM. It's here. Yep, it's right here. So I specifically asked the AT&T people to not put the SIM card in because I wanted to put it in myself. Can't find the... Yeah, I'm really having trouble opening anything in this phone now. So we're gonna insert the SIM ejector tool. There we go. Huh, can I remove it? Okay, I can. So yeah, this is a nano SIM. It's a lot smaller than the regular SIM card. They used to be back like, I guess, 2009. And now this is a nano SIM, which is smaller than the micro SIM, which is out on most phones. I'm not sure how I would put it in. I think it fits this way. Yeah, there we go. And gotta line up the holes. There, now we can boot it up. Galaxy S6 powered by Android. So I guess I like when I checked this out on the AT&T store, I guess I kind of like the TouchWiz because it's not that heavy anymore. And I do love the style of the phone. Oh, that was fast. Booting up, that was so fast. We have a SIM, so there should be data on it. Oh. Just next. Come on, I don't really want to set this up. You know what? I'll just pause the video and come back when it's set up. Hey guys, so I'm back and done setting it up for the most part. And that screen is gorgeous. It's so bright. I'm just gonna darken the screen a little bit so you guys can see better. But that screen is so good. I mean, it is running a Quad HD, I believe. And it's on Android 5.0.2, Lollipop. And we have this little game thing here. Yeah. It is so smooth also. Gosh, I really like this phone. So yeah guys, that's basically unboxing and first impressions on the Galaxy S6. Got it from AT&T.